going to recycle plastic bottle to make like flower basket. So I have only one big plastic bottle. I will start to cut it from the top. Cut it from the top and remove any paper or plastic on it. I'm going to cut it as stripes like that. It's easy to cut it. After making the stripes, we will start to cover the stripes by the wool. You can use any kind of the wool to cover each stripe using the hot glue. Now I covered all the stripes with the wool, and I have to cover the bottom of the plastic of the bottle. You can use the felt fabric to cover it and hot glue. Start to bend all the stripes to inside using hot glue to get this shape. With the white beads, start to decorate the basket. Now I will start to put the flowers. It's a fake flowers, white flowers, to be nice with this shape, with the basket. Now we finished and we got a beautiful basket. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.